Hello world, welcome to the Greatest Ever Show, where I tell you what's on my mind and you tell me what's on yours. So, what's on my mind today? The Oscar nominees have been announced today. The King's Speech leads the pack with 12 nominations, including, of course, Best Picture. Another nominee for Best Picture is Black Swan. I haven't seen it myself, hopefully I'll get to see it this weekend, but they say it's full of lesbian action, which is always good. Oscar worthy right there. Another Best Picture nominee is Inception, which, like I said in a previous video, I loved Inception. I thought it was great, especially since you don't usually see the themes in Inception in these blockbuster movies. At the same time, I wasn't completely blown away by it. Maybe it was a little too much hype, but regardless, it's a great movie. The Social Network is there as well. The Social Network has already won a bunch of awards. Will the Oscar be next? Who knows? I'm very glad to see that Toy Story 3 is also among the nominees for Best Picture. Another Best Picture nomination for Pixar, which I believe is totally deserved. Because the Pixar movies are not only great animated movies, but great movies, period. Toy Story 3, I believe, is an exceptional movie, but I still consider Up to be my favorite Pixar movie. I'm still not convinced though about having 10 movies nominated for Best Picture. I mean, I understand why they did it, because movie studios wanted to be able to promote more of their movies as nominated for Best Picture by the Academy Awards. But I kind of feel it's like the New York Times bestseller list. Back when Harry Potter completely dominated the list, the New York Times started making up all these other lists to push Harry Potter out of view. They claim they did it so that more books would have a chance to be a New York Times bestseller. But you're supposed to be a list of the top sold books. I mean, if you want a list of the best-selling books, the New York Times best-selling list is probably not the place to go. I mean, you go to a bookstore and all the books seem to be New York Times bestsellers. So what they did is completely diluted the importance of that list. And I believe that's kind of what they're doing at the Oscars. By having 10 movies nominated to Best Picture, it suddenly doesn't mean as much anymore. I mean, like, yeah, that movie was nominated for Best Picture, well, so did another 9 that year alone. But anyway, if you want to check out a complete list of the nominees, the link is in the down bar. Anyway, my question for you today is, who do you think will win at the Oscars? The King's Speech, The Social Network, Inception? Any predictions in the other categories? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm sorry there wasn't a video yesterday. I had to take care of some stuff in the house and I just didn't have the chance to make a video. Unfortunately, the thing that was supposed to get done yesterday didn't get done. So yesterday it was pretty much a complete waste of a day in the productivity side of things. So unfortunately, I have to take care of the things that weren't done yesterday today, which is why this video is a short video. I just didn't want to risk not being able to have a video for you today, but hopefully we'll be able to be back to normal ASAP. Still, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up button. If you really like this video, be sure to favorite. All of this, of course, to help us spread the word about the show. Remember that today is Tuesday, so leave as much comments as you can in today's video to enter the comment contest. Remember that the winner will get a shout out and a place in my box for a week. The winner will be chosen at random, and the more comments you leave, the more chances you have of getting picked. Get to know me by following me on Twitter. Links to that, my second channel, Facebook, and Daily Booth can be found in my pinners. But for now, those are just a couple of things on my mind. I am the greatest ever, and I want to know what's on yours. I'll see you tomorrow.
YouTube.com/thegreatestever. You're gonna find someone better than him. Never.